Hey guys, how's it going? So let's talk about canopy growth. Is it a buying opportunity? It could be a potentially bankrupt opportunity too, just like Voyager Digital. Why? Because business is hard, and anything could happen. Uh, Canopy could secretly be going bankrupt and don't know about it, just like Voyager Digital. At the end of the day, anything's possible. Um, if we look at, I haven't even looked at this yet, but Canopy right now is suffering from the same thing as the rest of the industry from, you know, depressed the prices. But if we look at like Kron, right? Kron is even higher than Canopy right now, sitting at 1.1 billion, while Canopy is sitting at 910 million. I would say Kron is a safer company to invest into than Canopy Growth, but that's my opinion. Business is hard. Canopy got like huge opportunity. They had $5 billion to do whatever they want with, and they failed. They failed to execute on $5 billion of cash. That's ridiculous. Um, we got a new CEO, and he's still failing too. Because if he isn't failing, the stock would do a lot. The stock price would be doing a lot better than what it is right now. Let's just look at the financials, shall we? A9, D2B. Okay, so the most important is the cash position. Wow, $807 million. Oh, that's in. Oh, okay. So $615 million of cash, $807 million in short-term investment. Yeah, they're losing a lot of money. They're just burning a lot of cash right now. Restricted short-term investment of 12 million, receivables of 100, inventory of 655. Yeah, I wouldn't say inventory is worth very much. Prepaid expenses and other access is $86 million. Building and everything else for that. Total assets of 6.3 billion. Decrease of $500 million of total assets. Not looking very good. Total liabilities of from 3.2 billion to 2 billion. That's really good. Short-term debt, long-term debt of 104 $5 billion. They do have enough cash to take care of their short-term debt. But financially, it doesn't look too impressive. But it looks okay. Doesn't look like the company in danger of bankruptcy. But hey, this is my opinion. I have no position in Canopy Growth. I just thought I'd make a video on it because I gotta make a video on something. Revenue growth is pathetic. Didn't really grow very much. They went from 169 to 155. They're still losing tons of money. Good of sold, good cost of good to sold is 130 million. Total revenue is 155. Net revenue is 140. They made a gross margin of $10 million. Very pathetic. Expenses were 116. So yeah, obviously the $10 million of gross margins will not cover the expenses. The expenses are coming out of their cash reserve. So they're just bleeding money right now and be profitable. If the Canopy turned around and became somewhat profitable, I think the stock price would turn around massively. But business is harder than it seems, and they're losing tons of money. Apparently, they don't know how to. They don't know how to flip a profit. That's the biggest problem. Anyways, That's all I really have to say in this video. Very dangerous stock to get into. If anything, I would say Kronos would be the safest bet right now. Simply because they have a shit ton of cash on their balance sheet, at least I believe. I could be totally wrong. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.